Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Back to the Roots Water Garden. If you are concerned about not having enough time for maintenance, invest in a self-cleaning fish tank. This Back to the Roots aquarium includes an aquaponics system to help with fish waste disposal. The top water garden has enough space to grow organic microgreens. These plants thrive on fish waste and can be harvested in 10 days or less. By absorbing nutrient-dense waste, the organic microgreens act as the tank's self-cleaning feature. The supplied grow stones serve as a barrier between the plants and the water. Plants grow on these stones, and their roots access the waste in the water, filtering it. This 3-gallon fish tank includes an ecosystem kit. Radish and wheatgrass seeds, fish food, a water dechlorinator, a growing medium, and a water conditioner are all included. In addition to radish and wheatgrass, you can try growing houseplants, orchids, or luscious bamboo. You spend less time cleaning the tank and changing the water with this aquaponics system. When farming microgreens, it also uses 90% less water than traditional methods. Number 2 in this best small fish tank list is Aqueon LED Mini Bow Kit. This small fish tank is ideal for novices, seasoned hobbyists, and seasoned fish keepers. Furthermore, you can put it in your home office, living room, or bedroom. The Aqueon Mini Bow filter features Smart Clean technology, which allows for quick and easy water changes, making it the best overall small fish tank filter. In less than 2 minutes, this technology can help maintain a healthy aquatic environment. The Aqueon filtration system is extremely quiet and does not disturb the fish. As a result, you can happily raise your fish in your bedroom or other peaceful areas. Bettas are an excellent choice for this 5-gallon tank. Because bettas are naturally aggressive, you can keep just one or carefully select a tank mate. Because the model lacks a heater, install one because bettas thrive in water temperatures ranging from 75 to 81 degrees Fahrenheit. The aquarium is made of acrylic, which is more durable than glass. It is, however, prone to scratches during shipment. Improve water quality for a happy, healthy fish. Includes aquarium vessel, hood and elevated base, power filter, small filter cartridge, fish food, water conditioner and setup guide. For details, let's watch more. Our third choice is Marineland Contour Glass Aquarium Kit. Marineland is a brand dedicated to providing superior and innovative products for successful fish keeping. The Contour 3 Aquarium Kit is a fashionable yet practical model. It simulates daylight and moonlight and can be used both during the day and at night. The bright white LEDs simulate daylight, while the blue lights provide a soothing calm at night. The LED lighting system is energy efficient and saves you money on your utility bills. To keep the water clean, clear, and healthy, the Marineland Contour 3 has a 3-stage filtration system. The system employs a hidden filter pump that can be adjusted. The Marineland Contour 3 Aquarium Kit is an LED-lit desktop glass aquarium that creates an impressive feature piece for any home. With hidden filtration and an LED lighting system for day or night, your tank will come to life. This 3-gallon aquarium features rounded corners plus a sleek glass sliding canopy to give you a beautiful view of your fish. Bright white and blue LEDs show off this aquarium in the best light. White LEDs create shimmering light that mimics the natural underwater effect of sunlight, while blue LEDs produce a relaxing moonlit glow for evening and nighttime enjoyment. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in this best small fish tank list is Tetra Aquarium Fish Tank. Tetra boasts of high-quality aquariums, and this Crescent Aquarium kit fits the bill. Its curved front offers an unobstructed view of your fish plus their underwater environment. Tetra Crescent 5 features an internal whisper power filter that keeps the tank a healthy environment for your fish. It also comes with a BioBag filter cartridge to catch waste and debris. Despite its bright LED lights, this tank is energy efficient since it uses low-voltage adapters. You can keep 1 goldfish or 2 tropical fish. However, add a heater to the tank for tropical fish as they require warm temperatures between 77 and 80 degrees. The oval opening at the top lid allows easy feeding. However, you can cover it up after feeding if you are worried your pet might jump out. Aquarium Kit Curved Front Crescent-shaped aquarium kit is perfect for 1 goldfish or up to 3 community tropical fish. Includes Tetra Whisper internal power filter to keep your tank clean and provide a healthy environment for pet fish. Our fifth and last choice is Fluval Sea Evo V Fish Tank. The Fluval Sea Evo functions as a marine reef tank despite its small size. It has a capacity of 5 gallons and is ideal for saltwater fish. An 11000K LED light is used in the aquarium to promote the healthy growth of soft coral. The super bright aquarium light has a waterproof casing and provides both day and night lighting. This tank may not be the best choice for the best small aquarium for polyp stony corals because these corals require more lighting. The Evo V employs 3-stage filtration for superior water quality. The Fluval foam filter block provides mechanical filtration by removing odors and chemicals with activated carbon. The Biomax insert promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria.